Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Friday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And I bring that up because one of these annotations definitely needs to be updated here, and that is based on a foundational principle in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have watched my past videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 525 over and over again as that level of resistance. But now that the price is broken above it and maintained above it, 525 would definitely be that ideal level of support. Ideal meaning, if the price stays above it, great. That's going to be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. But if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that, because really you still have this level down here at 435. And just to kind of illustrate the point here on why things would still be perfectly fine. Again, I'm not saying this will happen, so there's no need to throw stones, but let's just say that the price actually does come down here, behaved in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Even in kind of a drastic situation like that, as far as pullbacks would be concerned, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows, down here, and then you'd have other sets of lows down here. And if you picture each one of these as stair steps, from the big picture, things would still be perfectly fine. Now, I get it if you are a short-term day trader and you bought, right here and you want to sell within, 10 minutes, then yeah, you definitely don't want to see that happen. But for those of you that do care about the big picture of things, that's why I say, yeah, it'd be great if 525 can hold, but by no means is it the end of the world if the price cannot stay up above it. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, always good when red lines are being changed into green. So the next battleground on the forefront there is right up there around $6. So that'll be next overall area. But again, just to kind of give overall context, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in regards to building these higher bases. So this is where things were before the price came to life. And then just in a very broad sense, you can see price just keeps on building higher bases and you keep on having these overall stair steps. That's the name of the game. And as long as that continues to happen, the overall chart will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So nice move today in the short term by converting 525 into support. So we'll see how the bulls continue to unfold, but still 4 days left this week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.